Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar Jela Kalarai ban Buddien klaim syongthaj ya ka 125th Constitutional Amendment Bill na ka Sorkar pedeng. Ka sinjam bakongsan ban Pentri Kampura ya ka Agri Tax for Settlement. Balai soy bat gising leno bala pendu pendam ka rilum garu haus nem arajar khatsau kata ka Ajik National Volunteers Council ANVC bat ka kenhun yapat ka Anvc-B. Kani ka jing penbay thamay ka thamu ban ay bor shushu ha ka liang ka jing kersan pisa ka jing penklanya ka bor senchar jongki Autonomous Council hapo ka kharnet ban riu jong ka riti senchar kari India. Ya kani ka jing kular la penpau ha ka jelang bala penya da usembod menteri rang ba ka jela uba khimi ya ka tanat kampo ying uba preston tensong ha ka arpun ritrek unailur arajar apsan balai sim bentalang da chief secretary uba DP walang ka DGP ka kong ai nongrang ki heo besar bat kitkhot jong ka ANVC bat Anvc-B.
I would like to inform to all of you that today the government has again called a meeting with all the members from Anvc and Anvc-B along with all the senior officers right from the Honorable Chief Secretary, DGP and the senior officers of different departments. And the meeting today is relating to the tax settlement signed between the Anvc, state government as well as central government way back in 2014. So we discussed clause by clause, line by line of those issues flagged off in the text agreement, and mostly I would say the agreement made was already made or already completed, but of course some of them which is on the way, which is yet to reach up to the full text of the agreement, and some of them we cannot take any decision unless the 125th amendment in the Constitution of India is passed by the Parliament, both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So those issues we could not discuss much, but all small issues, as I said to you, be it the packages provided to the surrenderies, to the members of the Anvc and Anvc-B, that has been also completed. And now briefly I would like to just tell you that few issues like the subject of developmental activities like construction of road and then improvement and preservation of forest, and even in arts and culture department we have so many projects in the form of auditorium, in the form of library, in the form of cultural centers. We have discussed all these issues, and as I said to you, at least not less than 50 to 60% of this aspiration of this very text is already met. Even the members of the Anvc and Anvc-B, still of course few areas they are still not satisfied, but in the meeting today we have decided that we will closely monitor, we will closely see that those subjects signed and mentioned in the tax settlement has to be fully complied by the state government. The members of the Anvc, now they requested the government to have one dedicated nodal officer, because see, all the way they have to come down to Shillong. Even if you have so many meetings, it seems it's difficult for them to make things easier, to make things simpler in achieving this agreement, this tax agreement. So we have decided from the government side that we will appoint one dedicated officer in the name of nodal officer, who will coordinate between the members of the Anvc and the state government, and also with the different department, be it with the district council or be it with the different department located in Garu Hills. This will be taken care of by the nodal officer, and they are so happy because this decision has been taken, and we are going to notify one nodal officer under the supervision of the commissioner, development commissioner in the state of Meghalaya. They are so happy. The meeting we had today, it's very constructive, and for that you can also ask them. They will tell you exactly what was the meeting when.
But what was the reason for the delay in meeting them?
Sorry?
What was
No, you see, because see, there are three levels meeting. First is the level from the Government of India, MHA, headed by the Joint Secretary. And then number two is state government. And then the state government always headed by Chief Minister. And next is, third is District Council meeting again. From the District Council it comes to the state, and from the state it goes to the Ministry of Home Affairs. So we have 3 layers meeting. So you understand, sometimes it gets delayed, maybe from the ministry itself, from the central government itself, because it depends on the convenience of the Joint Secretary or the officers authorized by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So that's why, way back in 2021, I think the last meeting had was 2021 with the Joint Secretary of the Government of India. No such regrouping. As far as packages is concerned, we have already complied and we have already cleared whatever entitlement.
In last 11 years?
Yes, all were cleared. The ongoing process. I think out of 100, if I'm not mistaken, 122 or 23, I think it's about around 60 to 62 numbers has been cleared, and then there is, as you know, because the court takes its own course of action, so the rest will also be cleared in due course of time. So I don't have, because the detail was already flagged off, I think long time back, we knew it. So each, in fact, each member, they're supposed to get 1,50,000 that time, okay? 1,50,000, and that has been done, that has been cleared. Again, for 6 months, they need to get each of them 3,500, that also has been cleared. Well, because see, I think that tax agreement is more or less 95% is development. Okay, it is development. So with development, I am very sure, this kind of thinking will no longer be there.
So how many?
Sorry?
How many members are there of this?
Altogether, Anvc and Anvc-B is about 500 something. Like, I think you must be having those numbers. It's already there.
No.
No, presently it means the same one only. Because this is only the meeting. So the detail, the numbers was already there at that point of time. So that numbers does not increase. The same numbers only.
I mean, some may have died in the.
Sorry?
Some may have.
Some of them may have passed away. Yeah, of course.
Pin real squad, ya kak tin la jong pin dam kam, ya kabakan kiyo kak tin kasi, kak tin la jong, ai kan roy kan pa.
Ngidon kikin tin lajong. Belaipat puri bat penduk yala kak tin lajong.
kum kan nuksa kakentien barikor kamut arts hakakten pareng kakentien lari tipat kamut culture kumta yaka arts and culture niyo takakten khasi barikor bat lari ti kibalong ru kikentien ban kenteng khon ubarikor ka lari ti lapan mi takapati CTV nakamenta ka jingmentoi upat ba